Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. In this video we will talk about Govind Ballabh Pantnagar University of Agriculture and Technology, commonly known as GB Pantnagar University. Before starting the video, I would like to say that please don't skip any part of the video, because if you will skip any part of the video then you will miss the information, and half information is very dangerous. So let's start. This university is mainly for students who want to make a career in non-engineering field, but it also offers some engineering courses too.
इसके बारे में थोड़ा तो बताओ।
As the name suggests, this university is located in the small town of Pantnagar in the district of Udham Singh Nagar in the state of Uttarakhand. It is the first agricultural university in India. It was established in 1960 by Pandit Nehru. It got first rank in state agricultural universities and ranked 38 for university by NIRF 2019. It also has QS ranking of 118. It has a campus area of 12,661 acres, and the campus also supports Wi-Fi facility. It is the second largest university in terms of campus area in the whole world.
Why GB Pant?
Because it gives the best agricultural education in whole India, has good teaching faculty and research scholars. It also supports extracurricular activities. Also, if you are a nature lover, then this university is for you only, because it is famous for its cleanliness.
What are the courses offered?
It is mainly famous for its non-engineering agricultural courses, but it also have engineering courses too. For engineering courses, you have to give the JEE main exam, and for non-engineering courses like BSc Agriculture and others, you have to give the entrance exam conducted by the university. Note: for UG and master program, only bona fide residents of Uttarakhand are eligible, as there are 85% seats reserved for them. And if other state students want to apply for this university, then there are 15% seats reserved for them, and they get admission through the ICAR examination.
How can I apply for the entrance exam?
Go to the official Pantnagar University website. I have mentioned the website in the description box, and register on it. Write all the details and submit all the required documents like 10-12 mark sheet, photograph, left hand thumb impression and others. All the application filling process is in the PDF which I have mentioned in the description box. For general candidates, the application form fee is ₹1200, and for ST, SC and physically handicapped students, the fee is 600.
मैं एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म कब तक भर सकता हूँ? कौन सी लास्ट डेट है इसकी?
The last date for filling the entrance exam form is 15 July 2021, so be fast. The 2021-22 session have reservation of 14% for OBCs candidate, 19% for SC and 4% for STs. Plus, it also have reservation for physically handicapped and women candidates of Uttarakhand.
Tell how to study for the entrance exam.
The entrance exam is a pen paper based test of 3 hours and can be given in English and Hindi language. You have to study the 11th and 12th books of NCERT of PCM or PCB with mental agility questions. It offers objective type question, and there are 200 questions each carrying 1 mark. Note: there is no negative marking in case of wrong attempt.
एंट्रेंस एग्जाम की कट ऑफ क्या होगी?
To get admission in the university, you have to get your rank between 200 and 250, or score between 400 and 500 out of 600. For ST, SC and physically handicapped students, the rank can go up to 700.
फाइनल थिंग, प्लेसमेंट्स के बारे में बताओ अब।
The university offers average placement of 4.5 lakhs per annum, with the highest placement going up to 8 lakhs per annum. Sometimes it is also visited by some top companies like Amul, Bank of India, TCS, Tech Mahindra and many more. So, from my point of view, I think this is a good university if you are going for a government job or thinking of making a career in agricultural field. So, I hope कि आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. अगर अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ like and subscribe the channel, and also share the video. सो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।